Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of embroidery designs. Guys, this video is in the continuation of my previous videos, into which I have been sharing a wide variety of highly attractive and easy to make borderline embroidery designs that could be used for designing various variety of things. So you have been liking borderline embroidery designs the most from different stylized patterns of hand embroidery. So let's talk about which type of embroidery thread could be used, which type of hand embroidery stitches could be and are used in making these whole embroidery patterns, and where you can use borderline embroidery for which type of stylized patterns could be designed with the help of with the art of borderline embroidery. So, before going into the further details, I would simply request that if you have already subscribed, you can subscribe from as many as other devices as you could. And don't forget to like and leave comments in the comment section so that we can get to know what you feel about our content and what you want us to share with you in our more and new upcoming videos. Guys, simple and easy, beginner friendly hand embroidery stitches like lazy daisy stitch have been used, and you can also make use of pearls to beautify these patterns of embroidery. For leaves, you can use fly stitch, and for medium to large size leaves, you can use fly stitch. For mini size leaves, they could be made with the half of a lazy daisy stitch. The center of flowers could be filled with the help of French knots. And now let us talk about which type of embroidery thread could be used to make these whole embroidery patterns. Then I would recommend you to use Anchor and DMC for making these whole patterns. And even you can use embroidery wool for making these patterns in order to give a thick and a 3D view of the pattern. Guys, if unfortunately you are unable to find the pattern of borderline embroidery for which you are looking, then you can explore on in my channel, into which I have been sharing thousands of designs of borderline along with other millions of designs of hand embroidery. Go and explore, and up till then, I will come out along with new and more creative ideas of borderline embroidery. So your love and support is the only way through which we could prosper and grow. So keep loving us, keep liking our content, keep watching our videos, keep leaving comments in the comment section. Thank you so much and stay tuned for the new upcoming content.